Hello, welcome to Kelson's Talk, where we go where our minds takes us. So today, I was thinking on some of Jamaicans' old proverbs, and when I was younger, I used to have the belief that most of these old sayings don't make any sense. But as I get older and wiser, I have to say, majority of them make sense and have real life applications. To be more specific, every word them take a bush. And that saying basically translate to everyone have someone out there for them. And relationships is a topic that can never be discussed enough because at the end of the day, I would say 80% or more, 90% of humans want a relationship. Whether it be they want a relationship with someone for financial gain, for romantic for romantic reasons, be it they simply just want to reproduce, be it they just want to feel as if they are whole and they don't feel like they're whole unless they have someone. Regardless of your reason, we all want someone. And sometimes you may feel as if there's no one out there for you. But the truth is, again, every war at them take a bush, someone is out there for you. And that is why I firmly always advise and believe that you should always be yourself. I am not saying if you have faults that needs to change and you see where they need to be changed and you are able to change them, that you shouldn't change them for the better. However, I am saying, right? Let's say, all right, I'm a goofy person. Anyone that know me in depth will know that I'm a goofy person. Me, I'll be at home all day if I'm allowed to, and I will have my favorite manga or a manhwa or even a comic book and a novel, a light novel. Trust me, just give me something where I find interesting, and I will stay home all day. And outside, and then separate and apart from that, I'm very jovial. So me, I always make joke. I take almost nothing seriously, right? And a lot of time people may say, "Yo, you're too childish," but I know when time comes for me to be serious, I can be very serious. I know when I need to strap down and get things done, right? So if a woman wants a man that's going to be serious all the time, that's not me. That is not me, right? My partner would have to understand that I am a jovial person. And my partner would more than likely have to be jovial as well. Or if she's not jovial, she would need to at least have an appreciation for my quote unquote childlike behavior. So I may not be that stick for someone's hoe. You understand? But a hoe is out there for me, looking for me. You understand? So sometimes in life you may feel like there's no one for you and you feel alone and you have been rejected so much, you feel dejected, you have been used, refused. People come in your life, tell you that they love you, only to find out that they wanted to use you. And sometimes it's not even intentional. Sometimes people genuinely believe that they are ready for someone, they are ready for you. But as things and times change, you become no longer compatible. And that is okay. That's the thing, it is okay. Right? And you can't fear love. This is something I need to teach myself. You can't fear love. What you need to do is ensure that you are strong enough to withstand the burdens of love, or rather, withstand the burdens of destroyed love, rejected love, love that has been dissolved. So, the point is, don't sometimes you don't blame the other person, because the truth is you have a hand in everything. Everything in life you have a hand in. So even though you may feel dejected, used, refused, anyhow you want to put it, any word you want put out there into the universe, they're all the same thing. You feel as if someone you thought you gave yourself to didn't want you. It is okay. What did you do? For example, did this person show signs that they were not ready to settle down with someone, and you saw the signs, but yet you refused to acknowledge the signs? Are there certain things about yourself that would have caused this person to pull away? Maybe you had some unresolved trauma from your past relationship. So, just retrospect, retain some of that power, hold fast, and go for it. There is someone out there for you. There is someone out there for you. And even if it's not in romantic relationships, general friendships, don't stop pretending to be who you are not. If you think you are weird and no one will accept you the way you are, trust me, be yourself and you will find weird people like yourself. Be yourself and you will find people like yourself. Matter of fact, they will be drawn to you. It's be like magnet to steel, they'll be drawn to you. Every one of them stick a bush. Be yourself at all times. And don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you have certain traits that are not welcomed into the corporate world, but yet because you heard someone say be yourself at all times, yet no. There's a time and place for everything. But at the same time, within those time and places, be yourself. Let me give an example. Right? So, you like colors. You like to dress fashionable and you like colors. You like to be flashy. Yet, you work in an environment that requires you to wear a uniform. And, a uniform would have set colors, right? Maybe instead of trying to rebel, what you can simply do is, if you're allowed to wear socks, wear colorful socks. Try, if you're allowed to alter the uniform, alter it as best as you can to put some of your own personality into it. If you're allowed to wear bracelets and so forth, wear a nice bracelet that may have a little bit of your personality. Get a unique pen. So when you go to Rome, do as the Romans do. At the same time, you can retain some of yourself. Right? So be yourself. And your stick will find you. Your hoe will find you. Someone is out there for you. Both in a romantic sense and a platonic sense. Someone is out there for you. Your group is out there. Your clique is out there. Your flock is out there. Your pride is out there. But they won't find you if you're out here pretending to be something that you're not. Your love is out there. Because at the end of the day, we're all looking for love. Have a wonderful night, morning, or afternoon, and be safe.